Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making power the priority. Confirm the switch battery is at least 20% and controllers are attached to avoid interruptions. Plug the official AC adapter into a grounded wall outlet, then firmly insert it into the dock's USB-C port. This supplies power and charges the system. Once done, set the dock on a stable surface with its rear panel facing the TV inputs so cables reach easily. This prevents strain and ensures consistent signal flow during the next steps. Next, connect video. Run an HDMI cable from the dock's HDMI OUT to your TV's HDMI in. Use a high-quality cable for a reliable 1080p signal. Power on the TV and select that HDMI input so you can confirm display immediately. Then, holding the switch with the screen facing you, slide it straight down into the dock until it seats and the charging light appears. This completes the video/audio handoff and prevents repeated undocking that can disrupt. To finish, verify the TV shows the switch home screen and audio comes from the TV. If both work, you're docked and ready to play on a larger display. If you don't see an image, make sure the dock power is connected, TV input matches the HDMI port, and the HDMI cable is fully seated. Swap in another HDMI port or cable to isolate the fault. One key troubleshooting tip: remove any thick screen protector that can stop the switch from fully seating in the dock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.